Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Can you vacuum seal containers? Vacuum sealing your food can help it stay fresh for longer, protect it from freezer burn, and quickly add flavor while you're marinating. To make the process super easy, the best vacuum seal containers remove air quickly, and they're durable and easy to clean. What foods can you vacuum seal for long-term storage? Dry foods, such as cereals, grains and pastas, will also keep well in vacuum-sealed bags. If you like oatmeal for breakfast, keep a few packs, and perhaps a packet of nutritious dried fruit to mix in.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.